It's laundry day around here. Kip just loves this spot. I love this spot so much myself. It's been so peaceful. We're kind of by ourselves over here, and this is long-term visiting area, so we're gonna be here for quite a while unless something comes up. So I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Kip and I sure did. We had steak, which is very tasty. Making friends here. So social life is doing good. Getting plenty of exercise. And as you can see, I'm saving money, so I don't have to drive to town to do laundry. I've got access to water here, so yeah. Non-potable, so, whatever, but works good for laundry. I'm gonna have a video coming up, quick video talking about what rule number 3 is. So just haven't done it yet. Been busy, been enjoying myself. All right, that's enough. See you guys later.